Hello, welcome to day three of 30 days 30 days JavaScript challenge by LeetCode. So yeah, let's start. To be or not to be, William Shakespeare or someone famous. Write a function expect that helps developer test their code. Okay, it is for testing, and I remember this because in some testing frameworks, expect and to be and not to be are actually implemented. So yeah, it should take in any value well, okay, and return an object with the following two functions, okay. Accepts another function and returns this true, okay. So this expect takes a value, returns an object which has two functions. Expect takes a value, returns an object which has two functions. Okay, what are those two functions? To be and not to be. So let's create them. To be, I'm just following that whatever they've written actually, and not to be. Okay, they do have commented code also, so we'll use that for testing. To be and not to be. Okay. Now for to be, which is this, accepts another value. Okay, it accepts another value, so I'll write that as number. I think this will also accept that, so let's use number. Returns true if the values are this, and if they're not equal, it should throw. Okay, so if val is not equals to number, throw new error, not equal or something like that. It should be not equal. Okay, let's copy this, paste it here. Otherwise, they are equal, so return true. Okay, I hope it is correct. If val equal to number, return false, or let me check. Accepts another value and returns true if the values are not equal. Okay, return true if the values are not equal, and if the okay, throw an error. Throw new error equal. Okay, let's try this and run this. Okay, I'm doing it quickly just because I know these to be and not to be functions actually. Okay, let me comment this and see because they have mentioned throw, so it should have worked. Why is it not working in this? Actually, it is working. So, okay, sorry, it is working technically. The reason is why the reason why I was thinking is that it is showing me this error. But technically, that is what we have written, that it should show us an error, right? That for line number 17, it is showing that this error, right? Which is getting applied here. Okay, and for this, we are getting true. Completely correct, actually. Okay, so it might have been confusing a bit because of the error and all those things, but otherwise it was a really nice problem. And again, a concept of closure because inside a function we have another function, set of functions, so concept of closure comes in. So that's it. Let's submit this. Actually, I've already submitted, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.